Welcome. If you're tired of seeing those big embeds and preview links every time someone pastes a website into your Discord chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide embeds and preview links in Discord on your PC using the latest update. This quick guide will help you keep your chats clean and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Discord window. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat. This is where you can customize how messages and links appear in your Discord experience. Scroll down until you find the option called Embeds and Link Previews. This section controls how website links are displayed when they're pasted into chat. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Embeds and Preview Website Links pasted into chat. By default, this option is usually enabled, which means every time someone shares a link, Discord automatically generates a preview with images and descriptions. To hide these previews, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, Discord will stop showing those large embeds and previews whenever a link is pasted into any chat you're in. And that's it. You've successfully hidden embeds and preview links in Discord on your PC. Your chat will now look much cleaner, with just the plain links showing up. No extra clutter. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, just follow these same steps and flip the toggle back to Enabled. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.